Dear students, we are handling the topic complex numbers objective. In the topic, in previous class we have discussed level 1 class work from 1 to 40 we have completed. Let us going to discuss today 41 to 67. 41 question. The locus of point z is equal to x plus iy satisfying the equation z is equal to x plus iy is any complex number satisfying the equation modulus of z minus 1 by modulus of z plus 1 is equal to 1. Then what is the locus? Right here z meaning x plus iy minus 1 by this is x plus iy plus 1 over modulus is equal to 1. That implies x minus 1 plus iy over modulus is equal to, you can write like this, x plus 1 plus iy over modulus. Modulus meaning root of component square plus component square. Root of component of real number whole square plus imaginary whole square is equal to here x plus 1 whole square plus y square. Squaring both sides completed. Y square got cancelled. The x minus 1 whole square taken this side, it becomes x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, formula for ab. So 4x is equal to 0 in right. Therefore locus is x is equal to 0. That is nothing but y axis. Locus is y axis. Given simply x is equal to 0. 42nd question. 42nd question. Imaginary of z minus I by 2i. Imaginary of z minus I by 2i equal to 0. Then what is the locus of z? Let z is equal to x plus iy. That implies z minus I by 2i imaginary part of here x plus iy minus I by 2i is equal to 0. That implies imaginary part of x plus I taken common within the brackets y minus 1 by 2i, that is equal to 0. That implies imaginary multiply with I, numerator and denominator. Take rationalization. This is ix minus plus I into I minus I square. Imaginary of ix plus I into I minus 1 into y minus 1 by 2. Among these terms, imaginary part is 0. So locus is simply x is equal to 0. That is nothing but y axis. So imaginary part of x is 0 here. It is y axis. 43rd question. Modulus of z minus 2 plus 3i is equal to 5. No, modulus of z plus 2 plus 3i is equal to 5. Then locus of z. These are easy sums. X plus iy. So you can write here x plus 2 plus 9 taken common into y plus 3 over modulus is equal to 5. Square root of x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. So by squaring both sides you can understand here x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 25. It is a locus of circle with center. This is a locus of circle with center minus 2 comma minus 3 and radius is 5. And radius is equal to 5, that is fourth option. Next 44th question. Fourth question. argument of z minus 1. Argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equal to pi by 2. Argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equal to pi by 2, the locus of z. Let z is equal to x plus I by argument of x plus I by, you can write here x minus 1 plus I by whole by x plus 1 plus I by. X plus 1 plus I by is equal to pi by 2. So taking rationalization, that implies argument of x minus 1 plus I by into x plus 1 plus, no, it is minus I by, opposite symbol of denominator, x plus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to pi by 2. Argument meaning theta is equal to tan inverse imaginary part by real part. So theta is equal to, that implies pi by 2. Pi by 2 is equal to theta is equal to tan inverse of what is imaginary part here, x plus 1 after multiplication. Let us multiply this one numerator. Argument of x minus 1 into x plus 1 becomes x square minus 1 plus I into minus I square becomes plus y square, and plus I y into x plus 1 minus I y into x minus 1. So plus I taken common, it becomes y into x plus 1 minus y into x minus 1 whole by x plus 1 whole square plus y square. This argument is pi by 2. So argument meaning theta is equal to tan inverse of imaginary part by real part. Imaginary part by real part is equal to pi by 2. So theta is equal to tan inverse y by x is equal to pi by 2. That implies pi by x here. Capital Y by capital X meaning imaginary part by real part, tan pi by 2, tan pi by 2 becomes infinity. You can understand as 1 by 0. By taking cross multiplication, you can get the value x is equal to 0. The value is nothing but x meaning real part. Real part. Real part equal to 0, so x square plus y square equal to 1. It is a unit circle having center 0, 0. Circle with radius 1 here. So option 2. Option 2. 45th question. P represents z is equal to x plus I by in the argument when modulus of z minus 1 whole square plus modulus of z plus 1 whole square is equal to 4. Modulus of z minus 1 whole square plus modulus of z plus 1 whole square is equal to 4. If z is equal to x plus I by is any complex number, then substitute here x minus 1 plus I by over modulus of whole square plus of here also x plus 1 plus y over modulus whole square equal to 4. Modulus meaning root of component square plus component square. Whenever square is there, you no need to write the root. So directly you can write here x minus 1 whole square plus y square plus x plus 1 whole square plus y square. X plus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 0. Sorry, not 0, it is 4. Try to understand the formula a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square becomes 2 into a square plus b square. So you can write here 2 into x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 4. This 2 will be divided 2 times. So it is also the locus is nothing but a circle, unit circle x square plus y square is equal to 1, having center 0, 0. Second one. What is sixth question? Z is equal to x plus I is a complex number, then modulus of Z plus I by 2 whole square. Modulus of Z plus I by 2 whole square is equal to modulus of Z minus I by 2 whole square. Then locus of Z. Right here x plus I by, so x plus I into y plus 1 by 2. Our modulus whole square is equal to, in the same way, right here x plus I into y minus 1 by 2 over modulus whole square. That implies take the parts x square plus y plus 1 by 2 whole square. X square plus y plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to x square plus y minus 1 by 2 whole square. X square will be getting cancelled. Y plus 1 by 2 whole square minus y minus 1 by 2 whole square will be in the form of 4ab. So 4 into y into 1 by 2 equal to 0. It will be divided 2 times. 2y equal to 0. Of course, it is nothing but y equal to 0. So the locus is x-axis. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 also completed in the conceptual teaching. Now we should discuss the sum 55. One value of 1 plus I whole power 1 by 2 is 4th root 2 e power I by 8. Then what is the other value? 1 plus I whole power 1 by 2. 1 plus I whole power 1 by 2. One value is 4th root 2 e power I by 8. So let us going to discuss about the modulus amplitude form regarding this number root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I by root 2 whole power 1 by 2. Whole power 1 by 2. So you can understand this one 2 power 1 by 2 power 1 by 2. So this is 2 power 1 by 4 into this is 6 pi by 4. 6 pi by 4. Formula cos theta plus I theta whole power n is formula nth roots of unity concept. 6 theta plus 2k pi by n where k is equal to 0, 1 to so on and minus 1. So 6 of here pi by 4 plus 2k pi. Pi by 4 plus 2k pi whole by 2. Whole by 2 where k is equal to 0 comma 1. That's all. Where k is equal to 0 comma 1. If k is equal to 0, in substitute here k is equal to 0. So it becomes 2 power 1 by 4, 6 of pi by 8. If k is equal to 1, if k is equal to, you can substitute 2 power 1 into 6 of, here 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 8. 6 of 9 pi by 8. 2 power 1 by 4, 6 of 9 pi by 8. That's all. 6 of 9 pi by 8 can be understood as e power I theta. So write here as 4th root 2 into e power I pi, I into 9 pi by 8 is the formula. Now 56 question. Question number 56. X plus 1 by x is equal to 2 cos alpha. So whenever he given as x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 cos alpha, you can understand that x is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, and y is equal to y plus 1 by y is equal to 2 cos alpha. So it meaning that y is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta. In IIT question, in complex numbers exercise 1a, we have proved a small question. Whenever x is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, then 1 by x is equal to cos alpha minus I sin alpha. So x plus 1 by x becomes cos 2 cos alpha, and x minus 1 by x becomes 2I sin alpha. Y is equal to, in the similar way, y is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta, and that is equal to cos gamma plus I sin gamma. I sin gamma. Now find xyz plus 1 by x. Find xyz plus 1 by xyz. So what is the value of xyz? Cis alpha, cis beta, cis gamma. It meaning that cis alpha dot cis beta dot cis gamma. Cis alpha dot cis beta dot cis gamma by 1 by cis alpha cis beta cis gamma. 1 by cis alpha dot cis beta dot cis gamma. So this can be understood as cis of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Cis of alpha plus beta plus gamma 1 by cis alpha meaning is cis of minus alpha. So cis of minus of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Right here, cis of minus of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Cis of minus of alpha plus beta plus gamma gives, this can be understood as cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus iota sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus cos of, there is no minus for cos, so you can write directly this one as cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma minus iota sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma. So minus I and plus I get cancelled, that is equal to 2 cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Whenever plus is there, you will get real part. Whenever minus is there, you will get imaginary part between the cos alpha plus I sin alpha model terms. Now we have discussed 57, 58, 59, 60 also in conceptual teaching. Now let us discuss about 61. 61. The common root of roots of unity, common values of 6 roots of unity and cube roots of unity, of course. So 1 power 1 by 6, 1 power 1 by 3, you need to calculate common roots. Of course, omega comma omega square, 1 omega omega square, that's all. 1 omega omega square. 1 omega omega square are common roots. Because 1 plus omega square equal to 0, 1 power 1 by 3 or 1 power 1 by 6. The value is given as directly as 1 comma omega value is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Comma omega square value minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. No need to calculate using the cis theta formula, directly calculate the values. So first option. Now 62nd question. 62. Omega is a complex cube root of unity, then find the value of 1 plus omega plus omega. Oh, 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square into 1 plus omega power 4 into 1 plus omega power 8 into so on until 2n terms. Therefore, 2n terms. So let us do the shortcut. N is equal to 1. So whenever n is equal to 1, 2n means 2 into 1. So 2 terms you take. Only 2 terms. That is, consider these 2 terms. 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square. Multiply here 1 plus omega square plus omega cube. Of course it is 1. 1 plus omega square plus omega cube. Omega, so it is nothing but the value is 1. Yeah, only second option. Now 63rd question. Third question, if omega is a complex cube root of unity, then sin of omega power 10 plus omega power 23 into pi minus pi by 4. Omega power 10 you can understand omega power 9 into omega, so it is omega. Omega power 23 you can understand omega power 21 into omega square. So I am discussing with you that multiple of 3, omega power 9 is multiple of 3, it is 1, omega power 21 is multiple of 3, it is 1. So you can understand this one as sin of omega plus omega square into pi minus pi by 4. That is equal to sin of 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Therefore omega plus omega square becomes minus 1. So minus 1 into pi minus pi by 4. That is equal to sin of minus 5 pi by 4. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So it is minus sin 5 pi by 4. Sin 225 degrees, sin 180 plus 45 minus sin 45 minus of minus becomes plus. So minus sin 34 becomes here the value 1 by root 1 by root 2. First option. 64th question. Maybe in quadratic expression object we have discussed this question. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Given whenever x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, directly you can understand that omega comma omega square are roots. It is obviously true. Omega comma omega square are roots. Find x plus 1 by x whole square. X plus 1 by x whole square plus x square plus 1 by x square whole square plus so on. Of course, you write here x cube plus 1 by x cube whole square plus so on until x power 27 plus 1 by x power 27 whole square. So until 27 terms given. Remember the formula. Omega cube is equal to 1 and omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1. And 1 by omega meaning 1 by x meaning here 1 by omega. So 1 by omega can be understood as omega cube by omega. It can be understood as omega square. So here you need to understand that the value, if it is multiple of 3, it is 1. So omega plus, example here this is omega plus omega square minus 1 whole square becomes 1. If this is omega cube plus 1 by omega cube becomes 1 and 1 by omega cube becomes 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 whole square 4. Like how many terms are there? 3 multiples are there. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 like this. 24, 27. Total 9 terms are there. So you will get the answer as 9. For the 9 terms here 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 whole square 4. 4 of 9. So 9 into 4 you will get 36. And remaining how many terms are there? 27 minus not multiple of 3. Maybe 18 terms. Because 27 minus 9. So 9 into 4 I am writing directly plus 18. Because here x plus 1 by x meaning 1 plus omega. Omega plus omega square whole square. Omega plus omega square meaning minus 1. Minus 1 whole square 1. Like that 18 terms will be there. Minus 1 whole square 1. So 9 into 4 36. 36 plus 18 is equal to 54. 54 is the fourth option. It is the concept. 65th one. Minus 1 plus I root 3 whole power 15. Minus 1 plus I root 3. Minus 1 plus I root 3 whole power 15 whole by 1 minus I whole power 20. 1 minus I whole power 20. Plus of minus 1 minus I root 3 whole power 15 by 1 plus I whole power 20. 1 plus I whole power 20 is equal to, what is the value? Let us remember the value omega is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. So 2 omega becomes minus 1 plus I root 3. Next, omega square value minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. You need to remember these two values. 2 omega square value minus 1 minus I root 3. That implies, substitute the value here. This is 2 omega. 2 omega whole power 15 whole by, this can be understood as 1 minus I whole square whole power 10 plus this can be understood as 2 omega square whole power 15 whole by 1 plus I whole square whole power 15. 1 plus I whole square whole power 15. That is equal to 2 omega power 15. You can understand here 2 power 15 omega power 15 whole by 1 minus I whole square becomes 1 minus I whole square value 1 plus I square minus 2i. 1 plus I square get cancelled because I square is equal to minus 1. 1 plus I square get cancelled minus 2i. You can understand now. Minus 2i whole power 10 minus 2i whole power. Here write like this: 2 power 15 into omega power 30. Okay, by here 1 plus I square plus 2i. So you can understand here 2i power 10, not 15. This is also 10. 2i power 10. 2i whole power 10. That is equal to here 2 power 15 into, of course, omega cube is equal to 1. So it is simply 1. By minus 2 power 10 becomes plus 10. So 2 power 10 you write I power 10 becomes I square whole power 5. I square meaning minus 1 whole power 5 is minus 1. Plus this is a 2 power 15 into, of course this is also 1 because omega cube is equal to 1. This you can understand 2 power 10 into, of course this is also minus 1 because I square whole power 5. So write like this minus 2 power 5. This is minus 2 power 5 and this is also minus 2 power 5. Answer we are getting minus 64. 65th question. Given third option. Yes. Now 66th one. If omega, of course, not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity, 1 plus omega whole power 7. 1 plus omega whole power 7 is equal to a plus b omega. Then what is the value of then a and b are respectively the numbers? So find the value. Of course, 1 plus omega meaning we know that omega square power 17 is equal to a plus b omega. You can understand minus 1 power 7 into omega power 14. Omega power 14. 1 plus omega whole power 7 is equal to a plus b omega. Omega power 14 becomes omega power 12 into omega square is equal to a plus b omega. Okay. A plus b omega minus 1 power 7 becomes minus 1. Omega power 12 becomes omega. So write like this: minus omega square is equal to a plus b omega. Now we can understand here 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 concept. Omega square is equal to minus 1 minus omega. Already minus 1 plus omega. Write like this. Yes, 1 plus omega meaning minus omega square. Minus 1 power 7 into omega power 12 into omega square. Okay. So now this can be understood as minus 1 minus omega. 1 plus omega is minus omega square. So minus 1 minus omega you write like this. Instead of minus omega square, directly 1 plus omega. A plus b omega. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. That's all. By comparing the values both sides, you can write here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. 67. If alpha is a non-real root of x power 6 is equal to 1, then alpha power 5 plus alpha cube plus alpha plus 1 by alpha square plus 1. Alpha is a non-real root of x power 6. So alpha power 5 plus alpha cube plus alpha plus 1 by alpha square plus 1. You need to calculate here x power 6 is equal to 1. For this one, alpha is a root. So that implies you can understand alpha power 6 is equal to 1. Of course, it is alpha power 6 is equal to 1. So alpha power 6 is equal to 1 means you can apply the omega concept. Omega power 6 is equal to 1. So omega is a root of this concept. Whenever omega is a square root, you can apply the properties of omega. Now Write like this: omega power 5 plus omega cube plus omega plus 1 whole by omega square plus 1. Omega power 5 can be understood as omega square because omega cube into omega. So write like this: this is omega square plus omega, this is 1. 1 plus omega square plus omega cube becomes 1 by 1 plus omega square means minus omega, this is 0. So 1 by minus omega. 1 by minus omega can be understood as omega cube by minus omega cube by omega. So this is minus omega square or minus alpha square you can write, because we thought the alpha root is as omega. This is minus alpha square. Okay students, level 1 class are completed. Let us going to discuss about the level 2 class. Level 1 homework you do. Whenever you are getting doubt, you can ask me, no problem. Level 2, in level 1 homework also concept wise teaching completed. Now let us going to discuss about level 2 class. Depends upon depth of the solution, depends upon time I hand in level 2 homework also. First one, 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power 4 plus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole power 4. 1 plus I by whole power 4 like this. Rationalization of denominator. So 1 plus I into 1 plus. By here 1 minus I into 1 plus I. Total whole power 4. Plus, in the similar way, rationalize denominator 1 plus I into 1 minus I by here 1 plus I into 1 minus I. Whole power, total whole power 4. First term can be understood as 1 plus I whole square. 1 plus I whole square by 2 whole power 4 plus the second term can be understood as 1 minus I whole square by 2 whole power 4. 1 plus I whole square because 1 plus I square plus 2I, 1 plus I square get cancelled, 2I by 2 becomes only I, so this is I power 4. In the similar way 1 minus I whole square becomes 1 plus I square minus 2I, 1 plus I square get cancelled, minus 2I by 2 minus I whole power 4. Minus I whole power 4. We know that I power 4 value 1 and minus I whole power 4 value also 1, so 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Third option. Second condition. Here one condition. A square plus B square is equal to 1. A square plus B square is equal to 1. Then we need to calculate the value 1 plus B plus IA by 1 plus B minus IA. Here I means iota. A square plus B square is equal to 1 is the given condition. Take this one and rationalize like this. So 1 plus B like this. 1 plus B plus IA. Put a bracket. 1 plus B plus iota A by 1 plus B plus iota A. That is equal to, this is of the form like this, 1 plus B whole square. So completely you can understand here 1 plus B plus IA total whole square. Total whole square by denominator A plus B into A minus B concept. So 1 plus B whole square plus A square. A plus I into A minus A form by A square plus B square. This is of the form that this is A and this is B. So try to understand the formula of A plus B whole square concept. So this is 1 plus B whole square plus 2IA into 1 plus B. 2IA into 1 plus B plus B square becomes I square A square. So the minus A square we can write. Denominator directly we can write 1 plus b whole square plus a square. Numerator, expand this one plus b square. 1 plus b square plus 2b. 1 plus b square plus 2b plus 2iab. 2ia into 1 plus b. Don't write that one. Don't expand. 2ia into 1 plus b minus a square. Minus a square by expand this one. 1 plus b square plus 2b plus a square. Given condition is a square plus b square is equal to 1. Here b square and a square. Right, understand? A square plus b square is equal to 1. So next step I am writing as, instead of 1, I am writing here a square plus b square. A square plus b square plus b square is there, plus 2b plus 2ia into 1 plus b minus a square whole by 1 plus b square plus a square becomes 2, because a square plus b square is 1. So this is 2 plus 2b, not square. 2 plus 2b. Now a square minus a square get cancelled. 2b square plus b square unite to 2b square. So this is 2b square plus 2b plus 2ia into 1 plus b. 2ia into 1 plus b whole by, take here 2 common, within the brackets you can write as 1 plus b. Now that is equal to 2b, you take common here, it becomes 1 plus b plus here 2ia into 1 plus b whole by 2 into 1 plus b. For everything 2 into 1 plus b get cancelled, like this. 2 into 1 plus b get cancelled. Now we got the value b plus ia. b plus ia. Yeah, it is third option. Level 2 classwork. Complex numbers object. Level 2 classwork, complex number objective. Third question. Before going to discuss the third question, we need to discuss the concept of AGP. Concept of AGP. What is AGP? Arithmetic geometric progression. The AGP term will be like this: A plus d into r plus a plus 2d into r square plus like this a plus 3d into r cube plus so on a plus n minus 1 into d into r power n minus 1. So this is the concept. General notation: a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d is AB. A plus r square plus r plus so on r power n minus 1 is GP. If it is combined in AP and GP, it is called as AGP, arithmetic geometric progression. In that arithmetic geometric progression, let us consider an example. 1 plus 2 into 2, like this, just example I am discussing, plus 3 into 2 square, now you can understand, plus 4 into 2 cube, like this, plus so on, infinity terms also will be there. 1 difference is between 1 and 2 is 1, difference between 2 and 3 is 1, difference between 3 and 4 is 1, here 1, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, like this. This is called as arithmetic geometric progression. In the arithmetic geometric progression, the Sn is there, which you will be learning in the chapter of sequences and series, which is apart from a YPE. Now, Sn is equal to, write the formula, a by 1 minus r plus dr into 1 minus r power n minus 1 by 1 minus r whole square minus a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d into r power n by 1 minus r. This is the formula of Sn. In this one, S infinity is also there. S infinity a by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r whole square. S infinity is a by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r whole square. Now let us going to discuss the third sum. Sum of series of 200 terms. Find. Is asking S200, not S infinity. S200 of iota plus 2 iota square, iota plus 2 iota square plus 3 iota cube, 3 iota cube, so on up to given 200. Sum of the series up to 200, up to, that's all, simply left it. Up to 200 terms we need to calculate. Yes, 200 among the AGP. Here you can understand this is 1 into I. 1 into I plus 2 into I square plus 3 into I cube, like that. So 1 into I becomes here A is equal to 1, R is equal to I. Try to understand as 1 into I here. This is AGP. This is AGP. So here A is equal to 1, comma, R is equal to I. Of course, D is equal to 1. The difference between 1, 2, 3, everything is 1. Apply the formula whatever I said for a n terms. S200. See the formula here, A by 1 minus R. A meaning 1, 1 by 1 minus I. Plus D, D meaning 1 into this is I into 1 minus R power n minus 1. This is 1 minus I power 199 whole by 1 minus I whole square. 1 minus I whole square minus A plus n minus 1 into D. So 1 plus this is 199. A means 1, 199. 1 plus n minus 1 into D meaning 1 whole by 1 minus I into R meaning I power 200. I power 200. That is equal to 1 by 1 minus I. 1 by 1 minus I plus I into 1 minus I power 199. I power 199 can be understood as I power 198 dot I. I power 198 can be understood as I power 99 whole I square whole power 99. I square becomes minus 1 whole power 99 becomes plus, because minus only, so it is plus. So 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole square. I power 199 here I am writing in rough. I power 199 can be understood as I power 198 into I. So I power 198 can be understood as I square whole power 99 into I. I square meaning minus 1 power 99 becomes odd, so it is minus. Already minus is there, so plus you can write. Minus, this is 200. 200 into I power 200 becomes I square whole power 100. I square meaning minus 1 whole power 100 becomes so plus 1. So it is simply 200. 200 by 1 minus I. 200 by 1 minus I. Now, you can see this is 1 by 1 minus I. This is 200 by 1 minus I. Now write minus 199 by 1 minus I. 1 plus I by, write like this, 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole square. 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole square minus 199 by 1 minus I. Take 1 minus I whole square LCM. So you write here 1 plus I into 1 plus I minus 199 into 1 minus I whole by 1 minus I whole square. That is equal to 1 plus I minus 199 plus 199i whole by 1 minus I whole square becomes 1 plus I square minus 2i. So it is simply minus 2i. 199i plus I becomes 200i minus 198 by minus 2i. Answer is given as 100 into 1 minus a. So somewhere we done mistake. 1 by 1 minus a. 1 by 1 minus a plus I into I forgot to write. Okay. So I whenever I forgot to write. Better to write here I plus I square. So I plus I square. Okay. I plus I square becomes minus 1 plus I. Minus 1 plus I. Minus 1 plus I minus 199. Minus 200. This is not minus 199. This is minus 1. Okay. I minus 1 we can write. Minus 1 plus I. Minus 1 plus I. Minus 199, this is I, minus 199 plus 199i by this is minus 2i. That is equal to 199i plus I becomes 200i. 200i minus 200 whole by minus 2i. Whole by minus 2i. That is equal to 100 minus 100i. 100 taken common, 100 into 1 minus I given as second option. Let us see the question. Third question option. Second option he given 100 into 1 minus I. Yes. 100 taken common, 100 into 1 minus I. Now let us discuss about fourth question. Fourth one. Sin inverse of 1 by I into z minus 1, where z is non-real, can be angle of triangle. Z is non-real, can be angle of triangle. If, what is the condition? That implies, okay, let z is equal to x plus I by. Z is equal to x plus I by. Z minus 1 by I becomes x plus I by minus 1. So x minus 1 plus I by x minus 1 plus I by I. Now sin inverse of can be angle of triangle. Sin inverse of x minus 1 plus I by I, that is equal to sin inverse of x minus 1 into I if you multiply with I. Sin inverse of x minus 1 into I minus y by I. Of course it is minus 1. So that is equal to sin inverse of minus of x minus 1 plus y. Minus of x minus 1 into I plus y. The range of sin inverse is minus 1 comma 1. We know, of course it is domain. Domain of sin inverse is minus 1 comma 1. So how many options are there? Real z is equal to Only one option is there. Fourth question, second option. Let us verify the second option. Verify the second option. So sine inverse of whenever it is y, x minus 1 into y. Fourth option is second option verified minus 1 less than or equal to imaginary z. So what is imaginary z? Imaginary z meaning of course it is simply y. It is indicated with sine inverse. Real z is equal to 1 he given. So what is meant by real z? X minus 1. Okay, here you can understand. There is no definition. There is no definition for imaginary numbers. Sign only for real numbers is there. We know that I am writing minus 1 less than or equal to sin theta less than or equal to 1. Minus 1 less than or equal to sin theta less than or equal to 1. So, whatever this is here, there is no definition. This is not defined. So, whenever it is not defined, imaginary part of this one, imaginary part equal to 0, therefore you can understand x minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 1. Whenever x is equal to 1, x plus iy is a complex number we have taken in the complex number z. Real z is equal to 1, you write. And what is the value y here? Y meaning for the complex number it is imaginary part. So that implies minus 1 less than or equal to in z meaning y less than or equal to 1. So option 2 verify. Option 2 is verified. Okay students, whatever the sums remaining sums are there level 2 class 1, we can discuss in next class.